Let's see how to select ranges of cells on our worksheet. We know how to select one cell. That's just as easy as clicking on that individual cell. But what happens if we want an entire range, let's say certain cells in a row or a column? Well, it's also very easy. All we do is click on the cell and hold down the left mouse key and then just drag the mouse over those cells, and we see that our range of cells being selected in blue is growing either vertically or horizontally. So that's one way of selecting cells. Another way, sometimes when we create formulas like we did previously, we want to also select a range of cells to be put into the formula. So the way to do that is to, we'll create a very simple formula here. I'm going to show the common formulas. Here we have an option. There's a lot of formulas in Excel, so we have a very easy way to categorize them and just show some common formulas that we frequently use. So here I changed my view to most recently used, and I have the sum formula. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and now I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to ask me which numbers, which cells would I like to put into that formula. So what I'm going to do is, instead of putting individual cells, what I want to do is I want to put in a range of cells. So here I'm going to click on the end the little box here that looks like the worksheet. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on one cell that I would like to be the first cell, and I'm going to actually drag and go down, and all of the cells now are appearing in the formula. They appear as the formula C2, which is the first cell over here that I chose, until C7, which is the last cell that I chose, and that's going to be my formula. It's going to take the sum of C2 through C7. And I'm going to go ahead and click again the formula, the little chart there at the end of the formula bar of the wizard, and I'm going to hit OK. And now my formula is set to take in the sum of C2 through, which is expressed through a colon, C7. So now as I didn't have to put in individual cells, C2, C3, C4, C5. I can just go ahead and put that value here, and as I put in numbers into anywhere into that range,